Click, click, click. Sound familiar? Is your ROBOROCK S7 MaxV refusing to wake up and clean? You're not alone. The dreaded can't turn on problem is a surprisingly common headache for ROBOROCK S7 MaxV owners. The culprit? Often it's a faulty PCB or a malfunctioning cliff sensor. Ignoring the signs, that flickering display, random shutdowns, or uncontrolled driving can turn a minor annoyance into a major headache and potential disaster. Think of the PCB as the robot's brain. If it's not working, nothing else will. And the cliff sensors, designed to prevent falls, can sometimes malfunction and shut the whole system down prematurely. So you're staring at a lifeless ROBOROCK S7 MaxV and wondering what to do next? That's where RoboCare comes in. We aren't just general robot vacuum repair. We specialize in ROBOROCK and have years of experience troubleshooting issues like this. Our technicians are specifically trained on the S7 MaxV's intricate design. We utilize advanced diagnostic equipment, including multimeters and circuit board testers, to pinpoint the exact source of the problem. No guesswork here, we get right to the heart of the issue. Our process involves a meticulous inspection of the PCB and cliff sensors, identification of the faulty components, and replacement with only genuine parts. But enough talk. You want to see results, right? Let's show you the results. After RoboCare's expert repair, the ROBOROCK S7, MaxV is back in action. Powerful cleaning, effortless navigation, and a spotless home. Hear what our customers have to say about their RoboCare experience.
I am so incredibly impressed with RoboCare. They were professional and communicative throughout the whole process, and most importantly, they fixed my beloved ROBOROCK. Seriously, if you're having any issues with your robot vacuum, especially a ROBOROCK, call RoboCare.
Don't let a broken robot disrupt your clean home. Visit our website or call us today to schedule your repair.